What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. My name is C Notes, and I have a problem with red and black Jordan 1s. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. Every time a Jordan 1 comes out in the Bred colorway or the red toes or the black toes, I just gotta have them, man. And this one here just happens to be an early review. Yes, sir. Just as I'm taping this, I got a message saying that these are being pushed back because of the supply chain. And I know a lot of y'all mad about it. This sneaker is pretty, man. I'm happy I decided to secure the bag 2 weeks ago because I knew the Jordan 11 cool grays wasn't really the get of the year. I knew it was these. So that's why I decided to pull the trigger early. And I actually got these from my connect at the Nike Hong Kong. Let me show y'all the tag. Bam. Bam. Yes, sir, man. Fully legit, fully legit. You know, no fakes here ever at Sneaker Notes. Not even for review purposes. We don't do fakes. But yeah, I'm happy that I pulled the trigger, man, because I did not know these were going to get pushed back. But let me tell you something that did happen to me. 2 weeks ago on Sneakers app, I won a Jordan 1 Gore-Tex joints. And usually Nike is usually ship. You win on Saturday, you get the sneaker by Tuesday. That's been falling off lately with the FedEx thefts. It's been coming a week. But this one took 2 weeks. And then yesterday I woke up and I had a refund. That's very bad, Nike. Like, you know how hard it is to win on Sneakers app, but it is what it is. I think I got my 217 back. So I couldn't do the review on those, but I upped it, and we're going to do the review on a sneaker that hasn't dropped yet. So, hit the music. Unboxing time. I know my camera's in 4K, but you're not losing your mind here. The box is glossy to match the patent leather of the sneaker. Now, if y'all been following me since I started, you know I always tell Jordan Brand what? Change the Jordan 1 box depending on the style of the Jordan 1. And he's been hitting it out the park. The Armand Menez had the burgundy and white. It's a lot of ones I can't remember, but he's starting to listen. So the box looks like you just put Vaseline all on the box. It's glossy. It still says 1985 Air Jordan 1. And this is the tag here. Y'all know 10.5 is my size. Get the tag there. You know, when you flip open the box, there go your swoosh. Quality control stamp. I know I always show y'all these, man. I don't want y'all to get got out here, never. And let's start with the right shoe. Oh, man, dog. I love them, man. I ain't see nothing wrong with them yet. But I got y'all here with me so we could figure it out together. So off the bat, what jumps out on you is this large Jumpman logo, metallic red, and it's definitely metal, guys. You can't bend this easily. It's definitely metal, all red. Dope. The toe box, patent leather. These remind me of my gold toes a little, and I got rid of the gold toes because I never wore them 3 years in. But this definitely has the gold toe look as far as the patent leather. So you got red on the toes, black on the outliner, but you still kept it classic with the white to complement the red and the black. And the patent leather goes all the way around. And guys, I have no glue stains, no threading missing. It is a little bit dusty, but everybody knows that on a patent leather sneaker, the patent leather gets dusty. This is too shiny. You're going to show some dust. It's like owning a black car. The tongue, all black. Back to the regular Jordan 1 tongue. No cracked leather here like I showed y'all on the Armand and yes. Nike Air, red and black. Back, same way. But something I want to show y'all on the inside, and I didn't even know this had it until I unboxed them. Boom. The inside reads family. Get that to focus. It reads family in a nice royalty script. And that's on the right side. Take out the shoe tree. And your insoles are red and black. Told y'all this tag was big. It's just getting all over the place. Red and black. Family. The left shoe also reads family. Is this a friends and family pair? I don't know. But I thought like the left side would read something else. But it's ironic that they both read family. But on your left shoe, you get the same thing. It just comes with your red shoestrings instead of the nice tag there. Like I told you, I got these from Hong Kong Nike. So I doubt all y'all pairs will come with this when they do drop. But yeah. This is dope, man. I don't even want to take this off. This is my second pair from Hong Kong Nike. My first pair was an Air Max 1. Forget the name of it, but it was just a regular lime green joints. The insole here is the same, Nike Air. There you go. It's the same in there. No difference from the right. Like I showed y'all almost every red and black Jordan 1 I own. I really didn't want to go all the way up there. But this is my favorite. Definitely top 3. The Spider-Man joints I like a lot, man. And my son loves Spider-Man, so I guess that's why I like those a lot. But the no photos, crease me joints, those were dope. The reason those are not that high on my list is because they came out with the yellow pair, and the yellow pair is considered like the get. So that one is not really that high on my list. What was them joints called? The Scarface looking joints. These, the Homage to Home joints. When they first dropped, I love them. I still feel like the leather on these are unmatched, even though they crease crazy. But looking at it now, like when people were calling these clown shoes, looking at it now, I'm like, yeah, maybe we didn't need that in the middle. But back to the task at hand. These are dope, man. These are dope. So they got taken off the sneakers app, but hopefully they drop again maybe January. We start seeing more information on them. I know supply's been crazy. Like I told you, I got canceled on some Jordan 1 Gore-Tex, man, that I really just wanted to review for you guys. I couldn't imagine wearing Jordan 1s in the snow, but that would have been something dope to look at. Again, here's an early review. On the Jordan 1 patent leather Bred. And maybe they're going to call them family now. I don't know. The family. You know, you got any information on why it says family in here? Please educate your boy, man. We always teach each other, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.